Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Rachel Odarbe, aka Pudaka, ang inyong kabsat. Magaling ka ba sa English? On point ba ang grammar skills mo? Well, ang trabahong ituturo ko ay fit na fit sa'yo. So, in today's video, we're going to tackle about the job of a proofreader, the tasks and the responsibilities, the qualifications, and of course, the salary and where to apply. So, ano nga ba ang proofreading? A proofreader is the one who carefully checks an error or grammar in a text before it is published. This is the very last stage in the writing process where you can fix minor spelling and punctuation mistakes like typographical errors, formatting issues, and inconsistencies. Online proofreader correct capitalizations, punctuations, grammar, and sentence structure. They are also correcting the content of a blog, websites, ebooks, novels, resume, research paper, and many more. So, ano nga ba ang qualifications ng proofreader? Dapat meron kang strong communication skills, paying close attention to detail, ability to work independently, and of course, you can meet the deadline consistently. And they are preferring the bachelor's degree in English or journalism. Where to apply? Lalagay ko na lang siya dito. This job is in demand because there are so many written content in the internet. So, marami tayong chances. Pwede kayong magpasa ng resume sa kanila. Tapos, ayun, at least may 2 applications kayong ma-accept. And last, how much is the salary? Ang salary po ng isang proofreader ay nag-range po ng $25 to $50 per hour. Depende po yan sa skills ninyo. If you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Depende rin po yan kung saan po kayo matatanggap, and of course, they will pay you in a bank if your client is in the Philippines, and if abroad, they will pay you through PayPal or Payoneer. If you think that this job is for you, there's nothing wrong if you try it. And good luck!